Hi guys, it's Matt from Leighton Vans. We're down here in the workshop. Got a brand new product for you today. It's the DRL light bar that goes on the new Transit. I'm going to do a quick installation video showing how it fits, so let's get into it. It's a pretty simple installation. You've got 5 T25 screws running all along front. Take those out, this piece just unclips towards you, and then just a flat blade screwdriver onto the headlights. Take the headlights out, which is that screw there and one up here. Disconnecting the plug on the headlight, that headlight then lifts out, and then we'll show you how to wire it in. So in the kit you get your wiring harness. This just needs plugging onto the end. Inserting like that. Then we're going to feed this wire through that hole down there, and then that's going to run down towards the wiring harness that runs below the headlight. Once that's through, we can just pull that nice and snug into there, and then you've got all your clips run along the bottom. They're going to slot into all the factory points, and then you just insert your screws back into the top. The wiring harness is now poking out here. We're just going to cable tie it up onto this wiring loom, running up here, right up towards your main headlight wiring plug here, because this is where we're going to be wiring the positive into. So the wire you're going to be going into is this grey with a tiny bit of blue trace on it here. It's in pin 2 of your plug. All we're going to do is connect your positive wire straight onto this, solder it on or connect it however you feel you're able to, and then that will be your power, and then your negative will just go directly onto your battery negative. So once you've connected your wiring up, drop your headlight back in, and then using the key, just pressing the open button, the light should come on with your factory DRL, and that's it. Your install's complete. Should take about 15 minutes. Any further questions, just drop us a message at Leighton Vans. Thanks for watching.